Can you share some of your sales marketing oriented activity to push Z30?
So Z30 has some key enhancements and some key features. One of them is a functionality called Miracast. Miracast ensures that the device can be synced wirelessly with any smart TV. So a TV that supports wireless technology, Miracast is a technology with Z30 that can wirelessly sync my device with the TV. Anything that I'm viewing or running on my device can be viewed on the large screen. So that's a key enhancement with Z30, and you will have that viewed with some of the key outlets and some of the key stores that we'll be demonstrating this feature. 10.2 as an operating system is enhanced, is extremely powerful, and that is something that we're taking across to a larger user base through the updates to Z10 and Q5 devices in market. So that's another strategy where people use 10.2 as an operating system and understand and leverage the power of 10.2. So one of the key features of 10.2 is this BBM Now functionality, which is you don't need to interrupt what you're doing. If you're working on you're doing a multimedia application, or you're running or email or any other kind of browsing functionality, you get an instant alert message on top of your screen, which is like a BBM message or an email. If you choose to reply to it, you just click on the top of the screen. You can reply without interrupting your current work. So that's very powerful. That's unique to 10.2. No other current operating system in the market supports that. So these are enhancements to 10.2 that we've rolled out. Our route to market will be rolling out 10.2 to Z10 and Q5 users initially, and going forward to Q10 users as well. That gets the power of 10.2 in the hands of users. Z30 at a very competitive price of 39,990 will be something that we're looking at driving adoption later. Tie up with Cafe Coffee Day is more to do with BBM. It's not about Z30, where you download BBM for Android iOS users and activate your services, and you get a free cappuccino. That's tie up with Cafe Coffee Day that we have. In addition to that, a lot of enhanced functionalities, both in terms of the hardware. I talked about the 10.2 OS, but in terms of hardware, the 2880 mAh battery is further supplemented by a new antenna technology, which seamlessly adjusts the antenna gain based on the signal strength. So India's got different signal strengths on cellular coverage. So the antenna gain technology actually adjusts it. So it just ensures that your battery life of the device gets enhanced.
What are your new initiatives to rebuild the image of BlackBerry in India? How are you conveying the message?
So Z30 at the current price point, or 10.2 release for all our existing Z10 and Q5 users, is something that they would love in terms of the experience. I wouldn't talk about rebuilding the image. The fact that the numbers that speak for themselves. When we rolled out BBM cross-platform 2 days ago, we had over 10 million downloads within the first 24 hours. That shows you the power of BBM as a platform, as a solution, as an instant messaging really offering. So we are seeing that the BBM value proposition to customers is there. We're going to be rolling out BBM channels going forward, which is really building a large social community. Our enterprise customer base continues to grow. We've got a 25% increase in our Best 10 adoption globally. We moved from 19,000 Best 10 installations globally to 25,000 Best 10 installations globally in 1 month. So we had a 25% increase. As of end of August, we had 25,000 active Best 10 servers globally. Now that's all in less than 10 months of launch of the product. So it just shows that the brand is there, is valued by enterprise customers. BBM is valued by consumers and youth, many of them who have downloaded it in India. So as a product, as a brand, I don't think there's any rebuilding to be done. It's really about enhancing and leveraging the strengths that we have in terms of enterprise, in terms of BBM, in terms of Z30 and flagship devices like that, in terms of BB10 operating systems. That's what.